Welcome back to my channel Chef Pro. So today I've got a very delicious and authentic and it's very famous recipe in streets of India, in various parts of India. This recipe is viral. People enjoy this. They just enjoy it, guys. And this recipe is called Dahi Bhalle, also known as Dahi Vada. So I'm going to be showing you how to make dahi bhalle. First I've taken some urad dal and I've soaked it for about 3 to 4 hours, and 5 hours would be good, honestly, if I tell you. Then we're going to be adding 1 spoon of salt to the batter, and first you have to like what do you say, like grind it up in the mixer and then take it out in your bowl, and in one direction keep mixing it with the salt. Keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. And you know why I'm going to do this? Because when we keep mixing it, it becomes fluffy, it becomes sponge, like it should be spongy, so it takes in the dahi when you're eating it and it tastes lovely. Trust me, guys. And do use your hand, it would be better. And just keep mixing it until you don't see this result, and I'm going to be showing you now what result I'm talking about. Once you drop a small little drop in water, if it floats, that means it's ready. So now you're going to take that drop back out, because we should not waste food, guys. And balle balle, I'm very happy to make this recipe. So I'm making some dahi balle balle, and first we're going to be frying up. We have to fry the vadas. So now I put up the pan, and inside that I've taken the refined oil, or you can take mustard oil, any kinds of oil, and we have to fry it. But I do suggest to use the refined oil. So as you can see, I've taken the refined oil, and now I'm going to be slowly frying the vadas. Just take it in a spoon, and the spoon should be a little round so it will give a good shape as well. And like this, you just add it in. You don't have to worry about the shape, if it's like, if you want it perfect or not. Don't worry about that, because these are dahi vadas, also known as dahi bhalle. So it doesn't need any kind of perfect shape or any kinds of thing like that, so don't have to worry, guys. So as you can see, I'm frying it, and we have to fry it properly. Just keep frying it properly, and then we're going to take it out and move on to the next step. And do make sure that once your waters are fried, it should be brown and not dark brown. It should not be dark brown, light brown. That will be perfect, like this. And it's going to swell, because the ingredients that I've added and the technique that I've used, it will swell. If it does not swell, you have made a mistake. So that's why don't skip the video when you're watching, guys. Keep watching the video to the end and don't skip. So as you can see, I've taken it out, and I'm frying some more, because I'm going to be making a lots of this, because my family enjoys it, and that's why I'm making a bunch of these. So once you try it, I know you're going to enjoy it. So I've taken it out, and as you can see how spongy it is, and that's how delicious it's looking. And I know you all want to try it already, but wait, it's not ready yet, guys. Then in a bowl, we're going to be taking a bunch of ice cubes, like a lot of ice cubes, so the water stays cold. And there's a good reason for this. You have to add it in, because when you add it, the dahi vada should be cold. Once you see that in streets, no one's going to be selling you dahi vada or dahi bhalle, which is very warm. They're not going to warm it. It's a cold dish, so you have to do it this way. And by doing it this way, the it won't turn soggy, because this will turn soggy if you don't do it this way. So as you can see, it's been about 1 hour. I've kept it in the bowl, and now we're going to move to the second step. The second step is making our dahi part, our dahi portion. So first I've taken some curd over here, also known as dahi, as I said. So I've taken the curd, I've added some of the sugar, and then I'm going to be adding a bit of water, because I want it a bit watery and not too thick, because that's how we all enjoy this recipe, guys. So now I've taken a glass bowl, which I'm going to be serving my dahi bhalle in. So take the dahi bhalle as much as you want. If you want to have 10, you can have 10. If you want to have 2, you can have 2. If you want to have 4, you can have 4. Eat, just enjoy it. I know these dahi bhalles are going to finish very fast, because I just enjoy it. So I've taken 4, because I don't want much at the moment. So now I'm going to be breaking it from the middle, so that the dahi, it also known as the curd, will go inside our vadas. So now I've taken the curd, spread the curd thoroughly above the vade, and add a bit extra curd if you like. Then I've taken some tamarind sorry, not tamarind, I meant some red chutney, which is meaty red chutney, and some green chutney I've taken over here. And if you want to add more chutney, you can definitely add it according to your taste. And now I'm going to be adding some black salt. As you can see, I've added some black salt, black rock salt. And then we're going to be adding some bhunda hua jeera, and after adding that, that's it guys, that's it. And I'm adding a bit more salt because I like it a bit, salty, a little bit savory. And now I've added some red chili powder. As you can see, red chili powder I've added. And from the top, just give it a few drops of dahi, also known as curd. And that's it for today. I'll be seeing you in the next video. As you can see, it's ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.